Children, today our topic is about measurement of length. Measurement of length. So, the standard unit which is used to measure the length is meter. We can measure the length in AC system is meter, and in CJ system it is centimeter, and in other systems so for to measure the lengthy values, that is kilometers. So meter is the basic unit. So by using a meter scale, we can measure the length up to the least value, which we can measure the length up to 1 millimeter. In centimeters it is 1 centimeter, and in millimeters it is 1 millimeter, because this 1 centimeter has 10 millimeters. So that is the least value which we can measure by using the meter scale is least value is 1 millimeter. If you want to say this in centimeters, that is 0.1 centimeters. So these are the values which we can measure by using meter scale. So it is 1 centimeter. It is 1 centimeter. This again, each 1 centimeter is again divided into 10 divisions. So each division is called, we call it as a millimeter. Each division we call that as a millimeter. So the least value which we can measure by using an ordinary scale, is millimeter. That is 1 millimeter is the least value which we can measure by using an ordinary scale. Okay, children. So, but can we measure the least value which is less than 1 millimeter? Which means yes, it is possible. We can measure the least value other than 1 millimeter by the device known as vernier calipers. It is the vernier calipers. So children, here it is the scale. Okay, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. It is the scale. It is the construction of the scale. If you observe this construction, this vernier calipers was invented by the scientist named as a Paul Vernier. So that this it is called as a vernier calipers. Calipers is nothing but to calibrate, to measuring the distance. That means length. Okay. Once you observe the parts of this vernier calipers, these are called internal jaws. 1, 2, 3 and 4. It has 4 jaws. In these 4 jaws, 1 and 2 called as internal jaws. These 3 and 4 are external jaws. So these 2 and 4 called as movable jaws. It is 1, 2. These are internal jaws. These internal jaws are used to internal diameter, to measure the internal diameter of an object. For suppose to measure the internal diameter of a pen cap. That means, so if you imagine pen cap which seems to be like this. Okay, and it is the pen cap. It is the internal diameter. To this internal diameter and external diameter there is some thickness. Okay, to measure this internal diameter we use internal jaws. To measure the external diameter we use external jaws. If we want to measure the internal diameter, we should place this cap between these 2 jaws, not inside these 2 jaws. So here I said that 2 and 4 are movable jaws. It is the screw. By using the screw, we can rotate that screw in clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. so that the jars 2 and 4 will move to and fro. Along with these jars, its tail also moves. Okay, and this vernier calipers has two scales. It is vernier scale. It is vernier scale, and it is main scale. And it is main scale. The device which has two scales is nothing but vernier calipers. Is the device which has two scales. It is vernier scale and it is main scale. Okay, and it is a tail. This tail is used to measure the depth of small objects like pen cap and small caps or any small objects. To measure the depth, we use the tail. So whenever we are rotating the screw in forward direction or backward direction, the jars moves to and fro. The tail is attached to these jars, so that whenever these jars moves, the tail also moves. So this is somewhat about vernier calipers construction. Once coming to this, how this vernier calipers works. So that means it works on the principle of NVSD. NVSD is equal to N-1 MSD. Important. It works on the principle of NVSD is equal to N-1 MSD. So here VSD stands for vernier scale divisions. VSD stands for vernier scale divisions, and MSD stands for main scale divisions. Main scale division. Okay. Next, here where n is number, so generally n value is 10. Generally the value of n is 10. So the general value of n is 10. So it can be written as, therefore 10 VSD. Okay, here I am writing. So 10 VSD, because n value is 10, 10 vernier scale divisions is equal to 10 minus 1 main scale divisions. 10 minus 1 main scale divisions. So 10 VSD is equal to 10 vernier scale divisions is equal to 10 minus 1 means 9 main scale divisions. 9 main scale division. So here I need only one VSD value. One vernier scale division is equal to how many main scale divisions? So one vernier scale divisions is equal to, send this 10 to right side value. So 9 by 10 main scale divisions. That means 1 VSD is equal to 9 by 10 means 0.1. So 1 vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 main scale divisions. 1 vernier scale division is equal to how many main scale divisions? 0.9 main scale divisions. So here MSD, main scale is divided into, as I already said that in main scale, in normal scale, in an ordinary scale, one division in an ordinary scale is nothing but 1 millimeter. Because 1 centimeter is divided into how many divisions? 10 divisions. So each division is nothing but a millimeter. That is the main scale. So in main scale, each division is divided as millimeters. So that 1 MSD is equal to 1 millimeter. 1 MSD is equal to 1 millimeter. So that means 1 vernier scale division is equal to 0.9. 0.9. Instead of MSD, can I write a millimeter? So 0.9 millimeter. 1 vernier scale division is equal to 0.9 millimeter. Okay. So that, what is the difference between one vernier scale division and one main scale division? So difference between one vernier scale division and one main scale division. So difference between VSD and MSD. Difference between VSD and MSD is 1 minus 0.9, that is equal to 0.1. So 0.1 millimeter is the difference between vernier scale and main scale. That means vernier scale is always 0.1 mm greater than the main scale. It is the vernier scale and it is the main scale. So the important value is principal. The principal of the vernier calipers is NVSD is equal to n minus 1 main scale divisions, where n value, generally n value is 10. So n is equal to 10. So 10 VSD is equal to 10 minus 1 MSD. So 10 VSD is equal to 9 MSD. I need 1 VSD value, so that this 10 goes to the denominator of the 9. So 9 by 10 MSD. So 1 VSD is equal to 9 by 10 means 0.9 MSD. So generally main scale division is nothing but millimeter, 1 millimeter, 1 MSD is equal to 1 millimeter. So that 1 VSD is equal to 0.9 millimeters. So that the difference between vernier scale and main scale is 0.1 millimeter. Next one is about pitch. What it is? Pitch. So pitch is nothing but, so the smallest value which we can measure directly by main scale accurately. So the smallest value which we can measure directly by main scale. Directly by main scale accurately. So what is the smallest value which we can measure by directly by main scale is nothing but pitch. That is what we called as pitch. So that pitch is equal to, there is a formula. So pitch is equal to 1 unit length by 1 unit length by number of divisions in that unit. Number of divisions in that unit. So here if we take this 1 unit length as centimeter, so this 1 centimeter is divided into how many divisions? Number of divisions in that 1 centimeter, how many divisions are there? 10 divisions are there. So that 1 by 10 is nothing but 0.1 centimeters. If it is taken as, if it is taken in centimeter, 1 unit is taken in centimeter, so that 1 unit length is equal to how many divisions? 10 divisions. So 1 by 10, that is nothing but 0.1 centimeter is the pitch, and 0.1 centimeter is the least value which we can measure by using a main scale. Okay, Nama? Right. Next, least count. So next one is about least count. So simply we call this least count as LC. Least count. So pitch and least count, the definitions are same. Of course the values are which are similar, but least count is the least value, the smallest value which we can measure directly by the instrument. It is called the instrument. So by using this instrument, what is the least value which we can measure, and that least value is nothing but least count. What is the least measurement which we can measure directly by main scale is nothing but pitch. That is the difference. Pitch and least count, which gives the smallest values of measurement, but which we can measure directly by main scale. The least value which we can measure directly by main scale is nothing but pitch, and it is the instrument. By using this instrument, the smallest value which we can measure, by directly by instrument, So what is the instrument here? The instrument is vernier calipers. Is nothing but least count. So this least count is equal to formula. Least count is equal to formula 1 main scale division by number of vernier scale divisions. number of vernier scale divisions. So it is the formula for least count. When the main scale division and number of divisions are given, then we have to apply this formula, or else least count also has another formula. So least count is equal to 1 MSD by 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. 1 MSD minus 1 VSD. So that is equal to, okay namma, what is the 1 MSD? 1 MSD means 1 millimeter minus 1 VSD. What is the value we got of 1 VSD in the principle? So 1 VSD we got the value is 0.9 millimeter. 0.9 millimeter. So 1 minus 0.9, which gives that 0.1 millimeter. This is the least count which we can measure by using instrument. Okay namma, right? So this is the terms used in vernier calipers. The terms used vernier calipers works on the principle of n VSD is equal to n minus 1 MSD, and 1 VSD is equal to 0.9 millimeter and 1 MSD is equal to 1 millimeter pitch least count. So by using these values, we can measure the length of an object using vernier calipers. So to measure the length of the object by using this vernier caliper, we have the formula. So we must apply this formula while we are measuring the length of any object. So before measuring the length of any object, we must know the pitch value and least count value. So after doing the calculations, so the measurement of length of an object has a particular formula. So length of the object is equal to MSR plus VSD into least count. It is the formula which we have to apply along with this plus or minus error. So we will discuss about this error. And before that, here MSR stands for main scale division. MSR is main scale reading. VSD, vernier scale divisions. Vernier scale coincidencing division. And LC stands for least count. MSR main scale reading, VSD vernier scale division, LC least count. Here error, we will discuss about this error now. Okay, so it is the formula which we have to apply while measuring the length of the object. So MSR plus VSD into LC. Okay, and now it is about error. Errors. These errors are classified into 3 types: zero error, false to zero error, negative zero error. Okay, positive zero error, positive zero error, negative zero error. So these are the 3 types of errors. Why we are using these errors? Why the term errors came to this topic? So while designing this vernier calipers, while we are measuring with this vernier calipers, first of all we must check that by using the screw. By tightening the screw, the jars 2 and 4 will move near to the jars 1 and 3. So whenever these jars come close to the jars 1 and 3, that is the final point. So before that, after that, the jars 2 and 4 does not move. So at that time, we must check the vernier scale and main scale reading. Okay, so at that time the zero of the vernier, it is the vernier scale, it has the 0 point here, and it is the main scale, it has the 0 point here. Okay, so after tightening the screw, the 2 and 4 jars come close to the jars 1 and 3, so that the zero on the vernier scale must coincidence with the zero on the main scale. When the screw is tightened, the jars 2 and 4 come close to together to that 1 and 3, so that the zero of the vernier scale must coincidence with the zero of the main scale. It is the main scale and it is the vernier scale, so that these two zeros must be coincidence with each other. Then the instrument is very clear instrument, and to that instrument we should not add or subtract any zero, so that is error free instrument. So that for that instrument the length formula is directly we can apply that MSR plus VSD into LC. So there is no need of any errors for that instrument, for that type of instrument. Okay, but while manufacturing the devices, some errors may occur. That means whenever these 2 and 4 jars come close to together to the 1 and 3, either maybe the zero of the vernier caliper is right side to the zero of the main scale, or the zero of the vernier caliper is left side to the zero of the main scale. That means these two zeros does not coincide with each other. Okay, that means now I am saying about positive zero error. Positive zero error if right. So it is the main scale and it is the vernier scale. If you observe this here, the zero is right side to the zero of the main scale. It is the main scale and it is the vernier scale. If the zero of the vernier scale is on the right side of the zero of main scale, it is zero of the main scale and it is zero of the vernier scale. This zero is right side to the zero of the main scale, so that this device has positive zero error. This device has positive zero error. That means if zero of main scale, zero of vernier scale is right side to the zero of main scale, to the zero of main scale. If the zero of the vernier scale, if the zero of the vernier scale is right side to the zero of the main scale, then this device has positive zero error. Positive zero error. So that the correction is, so that if we calculate with that positive zero error device, the length of that object we should not get accurately. So that we must do some correction, so that the correction for positive zero error is correction is equal to okay, minus coincidence in division minus vernier scale coincidence in division minus vernier scale coincidence in division minus into minus coincidencing minus coincidencing division, vernier scale division into least count. If we do that minus coincidencing division of vernier scale into LC, we can get that exact value. So for example, here the length of that cylinder to be determined is, so suppose the length of the cylinder to be determined, so that for example here in the vernier scale minus 6 is the coincidencing division of the vernier scale. 6 is the coincidencing division of the vernier scale, so that we must keep minus. So minus coincidencing division of vernier scale into what the least count. So generally the least count is 0.1 millimeter. 0.1 millimeter. So if the values are in millimeters, or else if we need the values are in centimeters, that is 0.01 centimeter. So the least count is 0.01 centimeter. Here in the problem, the coincidencing division of vernier scale is 6. So the correction for positive zero error is minus 6 into 0.01 centimeter. That means minus 0.06 centimeter. That is the correction for positive zero error. So to measure that length, now to measure that length, what is the formula we have to apply? Length is equal to MSR plus VSD into LC. MSR plus VSD into LC. But here this device has positive zero error, so that length correction is MSR plus VSD into LC. VSD into LC. Plus or minus error we have to write. Okay, but here it is positive zero error. The error is positive zero error, so that we have to subtract it. We have to subtract it, so that the value is MSR plus VSD into LC minus error. Minus error. So that MSR plus VSD into LC minus error. How much error we got? Minus 0.06. Minus 0.06. So in this way we can do the problem for positive zero error. Okay. Next one it is negative zero error. Next one it is negative zero error. Negative zero error. Third case is negative zero error. So for the positive zero error, what is the case? The zero of the vernier scale is right side. Zero, it is main scale, it is vernier scale. The zero of the vernier scale is right side to the zero of the main scale, then it is called as positive zero error. Now in this case it is opposite. The zero of the vernier scale is left side. The zero of the vernier scale is left side to the zero of the main scale, so that it is negative zero error. Zero of vernier scale is left side to the zero of main scale. To the zero of MS means main scale, VS means vernier scale. The zero of the vernier scale is left side to the zero of main scale, then the device has negative zero error. So for this also we have to do correction. So correction for this is n minus coincidencing division of vernier scale into least count. N minus coincidencing division of vernier scale into least count. So that for suppose, that means here let's say, as we already know that the value of n is 10. The value of n is 10. So 10 minus. So previously the vernier scale coincidencing division is I gave the example in the positive zero error, that is 6 into LC. So how much? 10 minus 6, that is 4 into least count is 0.01, that means 0.04 centimeters. 0.04 centimeters. So here it is negative zero error, so that we have to add this error to the original formula. So length is equal to MSR plus VSD into LC. So for positive zero error, we subtract the error, but it is negative zero error, so that we must add the error, so that it is plus or minus. So plus error. So that MSR plus VSD into LC. Here plus error is how much value? 0.04. So that in this place of error, we must add that value 0.04, so that we can get that length of this negative zero error vernier calipers. In this way, we can do the problems by the help of these formulas. So in the next class, we will do some example problems based upon this vernier calipers. Okay children, thank you.